Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Greta. So Greta is a tool that lets you build full stack applications or even various websites according to your need with the help of AI. So which means you do not have to have any kind of programming skills or you do not need any coding. All you have to do is just naturally command what type of apps or website you want, and then Greta is deliver exactly that. And the best part is the apps or the websites that you are going to get from this AI, they are going to be launch ready, which means you do not have to add a lot of customizations. Almost all the content that you need are already going to be on the website or apps that you create. And then the best part is it also has super base integration as well as GitHub. You can also directly import your projects from GitHub and then use that project on Greta. And then there are also a lot of templates, pre-made templates on Greta that you can also make use of. You can preview them, and if you like them, you can also fork those templates. And Greta is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, and as you can see, it was launched on Product Hunt and it has got 10 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews, and also on Appsumo it has just launched but it has already received 18 reviews. So now let me show you all the plans and tiers that you are going to get with this deal. So as you can see, there are 4 tiers overall. So the tier 1 is going to cost $59, and here you are going to get 250 credits per month. So this credit is going to be used when you communicate with the AI, when you provide various prompts, or when you naturally talk to the AI in order to make your applications or website. In that particular use case, this credit is going to be used. If you're not going to make a lot of applications or website, this tier 1 can be suitable, but if you need more than that, you have to opt for the tier 2 where you are going to get 750 credits per month. On the tier 3, the limits is even bigger, so 1500, and on the tier 4, you're going to get 3000 credits per month. But keep in mind that this tier 4, this particular tier is only available to Plus exclusive members, which means if you are a Plus member on Appsumo, you can buy this tier. Now there are some other features such as the custom domain. This is not available on the tier 1. So it has to be a big bummer for a lot of people. So if you need custom domain, you have to at least purchase tier 2. And then also Stripe integration, which is one of the top integrations when it comes to payments. So this is also not available on the tier 1, but you're going to get on all of the tiers. And then there are a lot of other features that are available on all of the tiers, such as the prompt to web app generation, hosting and deployment, pre-built templates, Superbase backend, and GitHub connection. So if you want to buy Greta on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. So now let's go to Greta, the dashboard of Greta, and I'm going to show you how to build AI-powered web apps without any coding skills. Okay, so after you log into Greta, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. And on the left side, you can see your full history, which means all the applications or everything that you have made on this platform. You can also start a new chat. So the point here is that you have to chat with the AI in order to build what you need. As you can see, here is that box. And the best part is you can also upload various other elements. For example, it could be images. So you can also take inspiration from them in order to create your application. And then you can also see your credits, your settings such as the profile, plans and price, and integration. And as I have said earlier, there are 2 very important integrations such as Superbase as well as GitHub. And the best part is on the GitHub, you can even import any projects from that platform. All you have to do is just connect your account. So once you connect your GitHub, you can super easily import projects and then collaborate on that project on this Greta. And also before I show you how the applications are going to work, there are also various templates, pre-made templates, which means you can also use these templates. So here are the templates. And the best part is these templates are divided into various categories. So if you want to make a website about portfolio, you can check out these templates. And then also there are templates for e-commerce, fitness. So for example, if I go to this e-commerce, so here are all the different websites or templates that are made with Greta. So for example, if I want to open this, preview this. So as you can see, this full website was made by Greta. Just see how amazing this website is. And you can also visit other pages such as categories, products. So what Greta does is make everything full stack applications, full stack websites where you are going to get everything from categories, from images, from content, everything that you need on a website. And as I said earlier, for example, if you like any template on here, for example, I like this one. So this one is a website about food, about recipes or restaurants. So if I want to copy this, if I want to use this template, all I have to do is just fork it. So if I fork it, I can super easily use that template in order to make my own website based on this design. So just like this, you can make use of any of these templates if you like them. This way you can save you time super easily. So now let me show you how you can make any website or applications. So on this particular box, I have to provide my prompt, natural command, which means what I want, what kind of website or application I want. I have to make sure I write that on here, and the more detailed I am, the better the results are going to be. So as you can see, I have provided a prompt, build a charming website for a local cafe using 𝗗𝗻 that highlights the cafe's cozy atmosphere and menu offerings. So this is exactly what I want. As you can see, this is a very simple prompt, but I have tried to make it as detailed as possible. I'm just going to show you that for a test. So now let me click on this build and let's see what we get. So as you can see, the preparation has started. And obviously I can also type my message on here just like Lovable or any other platform. So as you can see now, all the codes, all the different things that you need for the website are now being generated on this right side. And you can also see exactly the progress on here on the status bar. And just see how fast it is. So this is amazing, I have to say that. And on top you can even delete this. You can also connect to your GitHub or even Supabase, and also download this one if you want. And the best part is obviously you can deploy it whenever you want. So let's wait and let's see what we get. I really like how I'm seeing everything in real time. Every update, every section is being built on here, and you can even see the pricing. The pricing section is now being built. So that is amazing, I have to say. Okay, so as you can see, we have got our website. As you can see, here is the website and it looks really good, I have to say that. So as you can see on the background, we have got a very good image of the cafe. I think the image was probably generated by AI, but it looks really good. And I really like the overall color. As you can see, the color is very similar to coffee. And also here is the brand name, the home page, the menu. So here's the menu. So as you can see, I have said earlier that you are going to get everything, literally everything that you need on a website, including all the pages, including, for example, for this website, the menu, this particular page was really needed. So we even got that from the AI. And as you can see, it has came up with some menus with even the price and also some daily specials. And here's the footer. So you can also see the brand name once again with the description, a short description, and also some logos where you can add your own social media links, and also some quick links, contact when it is open. And also as you can see the footer. Now let's go to the testimonial page. So here are the testimonials, and also this is great too. So there's even a leave a review button. I really like this, I have to say. And then also the location. So here's the location, as you can see, and also the reservation. So I have to say I'm super impressed with the website that I have got from Greta. This is simply amazing. Here's the home page. And as you can see, once again, this looks amazing. The images, the content, everything is up to the mark. So currently we are in the desktop view. Also we can switch to mobile view. So as you can see, here is the mobile view. And once again, the mobile view is also very good. So I think Greta is going to give you even mobile optimized versions, as you can see. So this is amazing. Here are all the menus. And the best part is you can even inspect certain element of this website. For example, if I click on here, and now I can select any element on this website in order to modify that. For example, if I want to select this, as you can see, this is now selected. Now with the AI, I can change anything about this particular code. And then I can also make it full screen if I want to show you the whole website. As you can see, this looks really good. And then on the left side, this left side is obviously for chatting or communicating with the AI about any changes that I want to make to this website or any feature that I want to add. And the best part is the AI himself gives you some recommendations based on the website that you have created. So I have created a website for a cafe. So now it is going to give me some recommendations, such as I can add a product recommendation. I can add the checkout optimization feature, reservation reminder, seasonal promotions. So all I have to do is just click on this plus icon, and then it is going to add exactly what element that I have selected. So this is amazing how the AI is going to give you some recommendations, and they are very related to the website that you have created. And as you can see, here is the AI. So it has created a beautiful charming cafe website with all the features. So here's what's included. So it is also giving you exactly what it has added to the website. So here you can see a blueprint about everything that have been added. So this is amazing, and obviously I can add also something more, or even edit, make any changes. All I have to do is just simply write what I want from the AI, and then the AI is going to do exactly that. But I hope you have got the idea. And on top I can delete, connect to GitHub, connect Supabase for backend, download it, or even deploy it. So yeah, that is about it. And obviously for editing, as I have said earlier, you can ask the AI to make any changes or add anything that you want using the AI. But you can also get the code. As you can see, here is the code with all the files that you need. And obviously you can also edit the code. But as of now, Greta does not have the code editor or the ability to edit your website or application directly on here. But the native integration of editor, that is also coming soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So overall, I think Greta is an excellent tool that lets you build full stack applications or website with the help of AI. All you have to do is just write your prompt, what kind of application or website you want, and then the AI is going to deliver that, exactly that, in real time. So the real-time part is really impressive because you can literally see on your screen everything that is being added on your website. And also once you get your website or the application that you have need, you can also make any changes to that website or application just by typing what you want. The AI is also going to give you some recommendations about what kind of sections or what kind of elements that you can add. And then there are also some integrations such as GitHub and Supabase integration. You can also deploy it super easily. And there are also many pre-built templates that you can also take inspiration from. So if you want to buy Greta on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, these are the tiers, and on the left side you can see some of the features that are going to be available.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.